the Brandt advantage. With decades of experience and 3 state-of-the-art facilities right here in Canada, Brandt OEM Services is able to control all phases of production. This allows for accurate scheduling and unmatched quality control. The result for you? A better product, produced more efficiently. No outsourcing. We complete every step of your manufacturing in-house, providing superior quality control and allowing us to ensure that every part meets your rigorous standards. Precision planning. Our forecast-based contractual pricing program allows for price certainty, so you can plan and budget with absolute confidence. Seamless integration. Our broad set of capabilities allows us to provide exactly what you need, while integrating seamlessly into your operation at any point in production. Any project, large or small. Our unique ability to meet all your manufacturing needs under one roof, streamlining management, and giving you a distinct advantage over competitors.